In this video, I'll show you how to order by date. You have a date field, a date column, and you want to sort by this date. It's very easy. I'll show you how to order by date, ascending or descending. Let's check it. Okay, let's look at the Excel sorting by date. So we don't update. I have here a column for date, and I want to sort, if I want to sort this Excel spreadsheet by date, ascending or descending. So yeah, this is I select the whole worksheet. I showed you before in another video for numbers and strings. For date is not really much different. Just make sure that the formatting of the field is actually date, and it might be also in the format that you prefer. So I like to have this format, the year, 4 digits year, then 2 digits month and date, day. I think it's easier to read for me, but you choose whichever format you like. And I select the whole worksheet. I go to data on top there and sort. My column, my data has headers, and I choose sort by date, cell values, and already it's recognizing the date that is not smallest to largest, it's oldest to newest. So it's actually a date. So I will sort by date, and I'll make it so you can see now. You see now when it's sorted. So you see the first is the oldest date, and then the last date is there. And if I want to sort descending, I select the whole table again, the whole worksheet, click on sort. Yeah, click on the sort and date, cell values, newest to oldest. And now it's really basically just reversing the sort order. You can edit the date and it looks just like how it should be. That's it. It's not very complicated, but be careful with the dates that they might change the format a little bit sometimes without realizing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you next time. Make sure you tell your friends about this channel so they subscribe also, so they know how to do things in Excel. Small little things, they add up and you become the Excel master before you know it. Subscribe to watch more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Oh. Today I show you